don't know, mate. I don't know. Do you reckon I should ring sniper out?
It's up to you, mate. It's
Nah,
quite
it's too heavy in it.
It's quite heavy and it's
Yeah,
quite
yeah.
close combat.
Yeah. Ah, man. Your neck hurting? Right. I was just thinking about these holsters here. Rather what it is, like all this like drags, it's heavy, you know. That's a nice one. You don't take card, does it? You take card? No, okay. Mate. No, I've never used that. I don't know how you do it. I'll go over there and get one. Should I? I'll go and get it from there. Yeah. But it's just heavy. Yeah, and of course this. Now I've got this on there now.
Did you use pistol that game once?
Not yet. No, not yet. What it is if you run your sniper, you've got to have a pistol side on, just in case of like contact, minimum range.
Hey, I don't know what you want to do. Whilst we got there, sort some shit out.
Yeah. Just fill them up and that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's open now. That. Ah. Man, isn't it? Is it targets? I think. I don't know if it's targets you've got to hit. Yeah.
Oh, what do you want to do? Do you want to head back first and see?
Yeah, we'll clip out and then obviously have a drink of water in it. What do you think so far there? Man, I've got quite a lot of footage, mate. I've got that footage of that girl falling on her arse.
Yeah.
And that juggernaut coming towards when I was shouting push forward. So yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the mount, right, yeah. That's more like a predator, innit? It's like predator, innit? Or not predator, aliens, innit? That swing arms is like kit. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll load them all up and then bring a full pack. Yeah.
How do they tally up the points though, right?
I ain't got a fucking clue, mate. I think they go by objectives.
Yeah, they must be because
Yeah.
you know.
Because you can't marshal a whole field.
I mean, everyone's kind of doing their own bracket.
Oh, that's so comfy. That's so comfy, just a little bit caught on the neck. Yeah. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn it through the back. Oh, mate, soaking.
In the back.
Fuck me. Yeah.
How you said it, just bring it
Yeah.
on off.
I've got down there. I've got that stuff. Oh, they've got paint, don't they? Yeah, the paint in them. Oh, mental.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look.
Mental.